Are you in the market for one of the most capable off-road vehicles on Earth? Well then, you should check out the Ripsaw, a military-tested off-road vehicle, the toughness of a tank and the agility of a supercar. The Ripsaw is the ultimate tracked off-road vehicle that's not only easy to drive but also impossible to get stuck. If you're a fan of the Fast and Furious franchise, then chances are you're already familiar with the Ripsaw. The Ripsaw was featured in the Fast and Furious 8 film, where its off-road performance credentials were put on display on the big screen. Before it was a movie star, the Ripsaw saw time in the military when it was refined into a reliable fighting machine. The Ripsaw debuted at the 2001 Dallas, Texas Auto Show, where it immediately gained attention from the U.S. military. The United States Army worked with Ripsaw inventors How Technologies to deploy a prototype MS-1 to Iraq in the early 2000s. The Army tested the Ripsaw as a remote control small armored vehicle that can be customized to fit a host of military roles. Most recently, How Technologies released the Ripsaw M5 for military use in 2020. The Army is currently testing 4 prototypes as robotic combat vehicle medium. These prototypes are fitted with anti-tank missiles, a 30mm cannon, and a complete armor package. For civilians, How Technologies is offering customers the opportunity to purchase a passenger vehicle version of the Ripsaw F4. There is no limit to the number of customization customers can do to their Ripsaw that comes with seating for 4. The Ripsaw F4 can reach speeds up to 55 miles per hour and offers 20.0 inches of ground clearance. With a turning radius of only 8 feet, this highly maneuverable off-road beast is perfect for tight trails. The Ripsaw F4 has a starting price of $500,000, which may seem a little steep, but its impressive performance seems worth the price.
Fun.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.